I was actually scared to come to a woman retreat because all of these intimacies and all of that stuff I don't do very well. And I came here being able to detox, get rid of coffee. And then we did exercises, and we did exercises that were really about what we wanted to create, and doing words that we resonated with, and it was so hard to share, but it was so powerful because I realized that I don't share myself very well, and this weekend's been about healing. It's been about power. It's been about recreating yourself. It's been about letting go. So thank you, Becca. It's been fabulous.
To give a big shout out to Dr. Izora Gonzalez. She did a fabulous presentation on emotional intelligence, getting in touch with your values, how to speak your truth as a woman, how to break the glass.
Cleanse, juicing, detox, and I really believe it's so much more than that. It's personal development, it's intentional living, it's clearing blockages.